Hey, how's it going? It's Brett with Useful Aircraft. You remember I just released this. It's the mini plank. I love it. DJI 04 FPV, flies on a 3S850, 15 to 20 minutes. It's a great little airplane. Keep it on the front seat of your car, grab a backpack with your goggles and your remote. You got 10 minutes free in a park. Let's take it out and go explore, find something new. Anyway, in order to make it, you got to have a 3D printer to print parts like the camera mount, you know, and the vent latches and the flight control horns, the motor mount, all the things that go with. So when I distributed the files on the website, I released them as a DXF. And honestly, it was a little short-sighted on my behalf. What I decided, let's convert these files into STL. STL files are what your 3D printer uses. And I've kept all these file sizes less than 200 millimeters by 200 millimeters. So pretty much any 3D printer will be able to print it. You can see I've just taped the parts together, and for example, that's your top latch. That's the rudder closeout. This is the wing. I only print one side. The reason being is the wing and the fuselage, they're symmetrical. So as you can see, these four panels make up a complete 1/2 of the wing. Trace this with your knife, and then simply flip the template to the other side and trace the other half. This way you're not printing out more parts than you need to build the same airplane. This is the same thing with the fuselage. Cut that out on a piece of foam board and then mirror it. If you don't like the mirroring, print out another one, tape it to it. It's all up to you, however you want to handle it. What I love is it lets you work with even some unusual materials. This is cardboard, for example. You can see, I just cut it out here using a craft knife. There's no scoring on the edges there. There's no burnt marks, nothing that the laser would leave. Lasers have a tough time with this. The reason being is there's a lot of little layers inside there, and those allow some air and some oxygen to get caught, and cardboard has a tendency to catch on fire. There's no char marks on that. And honestly, I think that's a pretty clean cut. Just using an X-Acto knife, you can build this airplane, cut as many parts as you want, just using simple tools you already have, a hot glue gun, some simple electronics, and you're off and flying. That's it. I'm going to release all my other airplane models in the same manner going forward. So if it's something you're interested in, usefullaircraft.com, download everything you need, get cutting on a sheet of foam board or whatever it is you're building your airplanes with, and get out there and get flying. I appreciate your time, and I look forward to seeing what you build. Thank you.